In a cinematic world filled with unforgettable cars, few have achieved the cult status of the 1992 Mazda RX-7 VeilSide from Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. Recently, this iconic machine roared back into the spotlight, fetching an astonishing 911,000 pounds, or roughly $1.22 million at auction. That's right, a car born from the silver screen just crossed the seven-figure mark, and it's more than just a pretty face. This isn't your typical movie prop. While many Hollywood cars are often non-functional shells, designed purely for visual impact, with little attention paid to what's under the hood, this RX-7 breaks the mold. Not only does it run, but it runs hard. And yes, it still packs a functioning NOS system, just waiting for one more adrenaline-fueled ride. Originally built by VeilSide, one of the most legendary tuning houses in Japan, this RX-7 was transformed with the brand's rare Fortune wide-body kit. That kit doesn't just enhance the RX-7's natural curves, it replaces every single body panel, except the roof and tailgate, with custom-built composite parts. Back in the early 2000s, when bolt-on kits ruled the tuner scene, this was a revolution in design and execution. Under the hood, the heart of the beast still beats, a twin-rotor turbocharged 13B engine freshly rebuilt by none other than RE-Amemiya, another legendary name in the rotary world. The result is a lightweight, nimble rocket producing around 280 horsepower, pushing a curb weight of just 2,314 pounds. While that may seem modest in today's horsepower wars, the power-to-weight ratio here makes this RX-7 an agile weapon, true to its racing roots. To prepare it for sale, the car received a full mechanical refresh. That includes a new clutch, new brakes, new coilover suspension, and a Blitz Nurspec exhaust system, ensuring it not only looks the part, but drives like a dream. And yes, the interior isn't just movie-grade trim. It features VeilSide bucket seats, carbon fiber details, and chrome accents, blending form with furious function. Despite its prestige and sky-high price, the RX-7 does carry a bit of real-world wear. Auction photos show minor imperfections in the paint, some worn weather seals, and typical signs of age in a car that's lived through stardom and storage. But for collectors, these marks are more like battle scars, reminders of the car's cinematic journey and real-world performance. What makes this RX-7 even more remarkable? Its rarity. Only 2 examples of the VeilSide RX-7s made it out of Tokyo Drift intact. This isn't just any hero car, it's the hero car, the version used in on-screen driving scenes, not just parked for close-up shots. For fans of the Fast and Furious franchise, this car isn't just a vehicle, it's a piece of automotive film history. The nostalgia, the styling, the build quality, and the authenticity all collide in this once-in-a-generation machine. Its sale for over $1.2 million proves that passion and pop culture combined can elevate a tuner car into collector royalty. Let's just hope the new owner doesn't tuck it away forever. This RX-7 was built to move, to race, and to drift. And maybe, just maybe, it'll get one more chance to rip through the streets with NOS engaged, echoing the legacy of Han and the Tokyo underground scene.